Why solving problems is about asking the right questions. Have you ever felt stuck trying to solve a problem, only to realize later that you've been asking the wrong questions? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're exploring why solving problems is not about having all the answers, but about asking the right questions. Let's dive in.
Clarity and focus. Let's break this down. Picture yourself on a boat that's slowly sinking. It's a stressful situation, right? Your first instinct might be to panic and ask, why is this boat sinking? A natural but vague question. However, what does that really tell you? It doesn't give you specific, actionable information. You're left guessing about the problem. Now, imagine if instead you ask, where is the leak and how big is it? Immediately, this shifts your focus. You're no longer floundering in uncertainty. You know exactly where to direct your energy, finding the leak and assessing its severity. That clarity means you can act fast, maybe by patching the hole or bailing water to buy more time. In real life, whether you're solving a business issue or dealing with a personal challenge, this same principle applies. Asking vague or overly broad questions like, why aren't we making progress, can lead to confusion, misdirected efforts, and wasted resources. Instead, precise questions like, what specific steps have stalled, or which tasks are delayed, and why, immediately narrow your focus to actionable insights. It's about breaking a big, overwhelming issue into manageable pieces. Here's another example. In business, if sales are declining, asking, why aren't we meeting our targets, doesn't tell you much. And remember, a well-defined problem is already halfway solved. So, the first step to solving any problem is asking questions that bring clarity and focus. It's not about asking more questions. Root cause identification. Now, let's talk about going beyond surface-level answers to uncover the root cause of a problem. Have you ever solved a problem, only to have it pop up again later? That's often because you addressed a symptom, not the underlying issue. This is where the 5 whys technique comes in, a powerful method to dig deeper. Let's look at a common scenario. Sales are dropping. The first question we ask is, why are sales down? A team member might say, we're not getting enough traffic to our website. That sounds like an answer, right? But we don't stop there. We ask, why aren't we getting enough traffic? Maybe the answer is, our online ads aren't performing well. Now we're getting somewhere. By the 5th why, we uncover the root cause. The messaging doesn't resonate because we haven't updated our market research. Now we know the real problem isn't just low traffic or poor ad performance. It's that our campaigns are based on outdated insights. Fixing the ads without addressing the messaging would only give us a temporary boost. The real solution is to update our market research and craft a campaign that connects with the current needs of our audience. This process works because it forces us to move past assumptions. If we stopped at the first answer, not enough traffic, we might have wasted time and money on more ads without improving engagement. By asking deeper questions, we solve the real problem, not just its symptoms. The beauty of the 5 whys technique is its simplicity. You don't need fancy tools, just a willingness to keep digging. But it does take discipline. Each answer needs to be treated as a stepping stone, not the final destination. So the next time you face a recurring issue, remember, ask why, until you get to the root cause. It's like pulling weeds. You have to get the roots, not just the leaves, or the problem will grow back stronger. Address the foundation, and you'll build solutions that last. And that's the power of asking the right questions to uncover the root cause. Stick around because in the next section, we'll talk about how the right questions can spark creativity and innovation.